Stefano. Oh, toy time. I'm so excited to see your beautiful face. I've been waiting for you. Whakarongo. It's the toy time trumpets. Do you know what that means? It's toy time. Hoake tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Kia ora koutou, nau mai, haere mai. Ko mai a tōku ingoa, and welcome to our home, the Toy Time Whare. I love home. It's where I feel comfortable and safe.
Kia ora, I'm Ricky, and this is my home too. Hey Maya, I brought this plant home from Nana's and she didn't need it anymore. Do you know where we could put it?
Sure. I love pot plants. They really make a house a home. Thank you, Ricky. I think it will look perfect here.
Honeys, I'm home.
Kia ora, Jojo.
Kia ora. Ko Jojo aho, and I've been out all morning doing the shopping. It's so good to be home.
I'll take the shopping, Jojo. Oh. Go.
Yes.
Wow. All right, you relax, Jojo, and I'll put the shopping away and we can all have a nice cup of tea together.
Sounds great.
Okay, I'm almost finished cleaning. A spider's web.
Wait, stop. You can't get rid of that web.
Why?
Oh, because that's the spider's home. Homes come in all different shapes and sizes, Maya.
Oh, yeah. I never thought of it like that. Sorry, little Punga Were Were. You're welcome to stay as long as you like.
Here you go, Jojo.
Kia ora, Ricky.
Here you go, Maya.
Thank you.
There's no place like home.
Hermit crabs and snails like a different kind of home. One that they can carry so that they are free to roam. Birds, they make their houses way up high amongst the trees. And where we get our honey from is home for all the bees. There are different kinds of houses, not a single one's the same. You might live in an apartment or a farm beside a lake. You might have your own bedroom or share your room with 2 or 3. They say home is where the heart is, and this is home for me. Your home might have a backyard or might have a park nearby. Your home might have a staircase or maybe neighbors up the drive. You might live in a houseboat or an igloo made of ice. I'd love to see your house one day. I think that would be nice. There are different kinds of houses, not a single one's the same. You might live in an apartment or a farm beside a lake. You might have your own bedroom or share your room with 2 or 3.
is home for me. They say home is where the heart is, and this is home for me.
Whoa, Miharo, Jojo. That looks like a house made of ice.
That's because it is. I've seen one of these before. I think they're called an igloo. Oh, people build them in really cold places like Alaska and Greenland and Canada.
Oh, I see. Get it? I see.
Would you guys like to help me finish it? Then we can play.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
please.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be Mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun.
Oh, well, it's ready to move in and make it your home, Jojo.
I know. Let's throw Jojo a housewarming party.
Don't you mean an igloo warming party?
Aye, an igloo warming party.
There we go. I'm all ready for the igloo warming party. Now all we need are the guests. Oh, here comes a penguin now.
Kia ora, Jojo. Thanks for inviting me to your housewarming. Oh, I mean, igloo warming party. I made you my favourite dish. Ice burgers to help you settle in.
Aw, thanks. How thoughtful of you. Maya,
Yes, Jojo.
what do you call a penguin in the Arctic?
What?
Lost. Get it? Oh, igloos are in the Arctic at the tippy top of the world, and penguins live in the southern hemisphere at the bottom of the world.
That's okay. I flew in just for your party.
But penguins can't fly.
Then I drove.
Nope, penguins can't drive. Their feet don't reach the pedals.
Jojo, penguins can't talk either. It's just pretend.
Oh, yeah. Come in, come in.
Oh,
Please
thank
make
you.
yourself at home. Oh.
Oh, kia ora, Jojo. I hope you don't mind. I brought a friend to your igloo warming. He's as cool as ice, but he gives great cuddles.
Aw, great to meet you, Mr. Cool. Make yourself at home.
Oh, kia ora, Jojo. I brought these hot water bottles to your igloo warming party.
Oh, Buzz. Ooh, they're so lovely and warm. But it's not actually about warming up the igloo.
Oh, it's not?
No. In the olden days, there were no heaters. So guests would bring firewood to help warm up the new whare. That's why it's called a house-warming party.
Well, at least you won't run out of hot water bottles. Could you please point me in the direction of the loo, please? I really need a wee.
There's one small problem. We forgot to put a loo in.
Oh, well, I guess it's more of an egg then.
An egg?
Yeah, because there's no loo. Hey, I gotta go, because I really gotta go, you know? See ya!
When you gotta go, Buzz. See ya.
Cool party, Jojo.
Yeah, and really cool igloo.
Aw, thanks. Hey, what do you call an igloo in the summer?
What?
A puddle. There's no place like home for making silly jokes with good friends.
Hello! It's me, Buzz the Cuss, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, we're building a wharepu roku roku. What am I gonna need? What am I gonna need? Blankets. This thing. Some chairs. Gonna need some sellotape and some pegs. What else do we need? Oh! We can use this fishing rod. It's a big one! I lost it. All right, what else do we need? I think we're ready to go. All right, I'm gonna start with this. Maybe we can go like that. That could be our door, okay? Put it up there. Here we go. Ready? Yeah. Now I need some sides for my fort. What can I use? Come on. I think I found it. Okay. All right. Can go up here. This. Go. This. Whare pū roku roku. Oosh. Let's go inside, eh? Come on. Found it. Cool, let's hang it up, eh? Right. Maybe we can hang it up somewhere. Like that. I think I might have a little nap. What do you think? Is that a good idea? Thought so.
Oh, phew.
Kia ora koutou. I've just come back from a sleepover at my friend's house. I'm so happy to be home. I did have a lot of fun, although there were times that I felt homesick. Engari, in case you ever feel homesick, I have the perfect solution. I find packing your taonga from home will help a lot. Let's see what we have inside. Oh, this is my peke taonga. Ah, this is my toothbrush. Paraihe o niho. Brush your teeth so we don't get stink breath, eh? What's next? Oh, I love this one. Oh. My auntie gave these to me for my birthday. They're my comfiest kakahu moi. Wearing my favourite PJs helps me feel calm when I'm homesick. Oh, what have we got next? I read this puka puka every night before bed. My friend showed me her favourite books too, so we read our favourite books together. Love it. What have we got next? Yay! My friend and I love singing together, so I play the ukulele to keep us in tune. La, 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 la. Oh, one more thing. Hello, Teddy. I love you, Teddy. I love you too. I bet you're happy to be home, eh, Teddy? I sure am. When I have taonga with me from home, I don't feel so homesick. Bye!
Yoo-hoo! Is anybody home?
It's my homeboy, Buzz.
Oh, hanging out with my home girl, Jojo. Talk to.
What have you got there, Buzz?
Oh, well, it's noughts and crosses. Noughts is another word for zero.
Oh, I learn something new from you every day, Buzz.
Oh.
And today, hopefully, I'm going to learn how to play noughts and crosses.
Of course you are, because it's Takaro time! Noughts and crosses is a really fun game to play at home. Would you like to be noughts or crosses, Jojo?
Noughts, please.
Oh, okay. Here you go. The aim of the game is to get 3 in a row. So for you, it's noughts, okay? You can get 3 across or up or diagonally. Ooh, it's going to be a good game.
I win.
Oh, Jojo, we have to take turns, okay? All right, let's start again. Do you want to go first?
Yes, please.
All right, we'll just slide that behind there. And now we got a fresh start. All right, you go first.
Okay.
Oh, good move. Okay, I'm going to go here.
And I'm gonna go here.
Oh, I'm going to go here. Block.
Oh, and I'm gonna go here.
Nice. Okay. Oh, block.
Oh, I'll go here.
Nice. And I'll go here.
Oh,
Oh, none of us won. That's okay, though. That happens sometimes. Hey, let's play again.
all right.
All right. So take that off there and put that behind here, just like that.
All right, Buzz. You go first this time.
Okay, cool. Here we go. Come on, Buzz. Come on. Noughts and crosses. Here we go. I'm going to go here.
I'll go here.
Ooh, good move. I'm going to go here.
I'll go here.
Nice. I'll go here.
And I'm gonna go here.
Oh, Jojo, you won. Look, you got 3 in a row going up. Oh, you're a fast learner, Jojo.
Thanks, Buzz. Noughts and crosses is fun. Thanks for bringing your toys to play with.
Oh, you're welcome, Jojo. Hey, do you want to play again? All right, and this time I'm gonna win.
No, you're not, because I'm gonna win.
No, I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
I wanna win.
No.
Oma! Okay, here, Kwe, Oma!
Oh, I'm in my hideout, Wolfie.
Oh, there you are.
Yeah.
Oh, what are you doing, Oma?
I like small and cozy places that feel like my burrow, where my whānau and I live.
It does look cozy.
Yeah. Hey, do you want to come in?
Oh, yes, please.
Oh, come on, snuggle in.
Okay. Hoi. Oh, it's no use. I'm just too big for your cozy hideout, Oma. Oh, I know.
Hey?
I'll make my own hideout. Then we can be neighbours.
Oh, that's a great idea, Wolfie.
Na 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 na. Na na.
Yes, it's perfect.
Lovely hideout.
Sing our Bollywood dance. It's a dance from India. Our teacher has been showing us how to do it.
Nana, so our body should be moving and grooving.
She's really good at it. She was born in India. She shows us all the moves. Our Bollywood dance is for a school show. They're so bright and colourful. We're getting really good at this dance. We can't wait to show it to our families.
A home needs beds and sofas and, tables and chairs for people to sit on when they're at home. Hey, Mōhio,
Kia ora, Maya. How can I help you today?
who lives in your home with you?
Lots of people can live in a home together, Maya. Whānau, friends or flatmates. Some adults choose to live on their own, and some elderly people even live in a home with other elders, called a rest home.
A rest home. That sounds nice. So, a home is a home because of the people who live there.
That's right. You can make a home anywhere with the people you love.
Oh, just like my home, the Toy Time Whare. Thanks, Mōhio. Right, well, there we go. This dollhouse is ready for someone to move in and make it their home.
Matariki, tupuarangi, tupuanuku, matariki. Ururangi, waipunarangi, hiwa i te rangi, matariki. Waiti, waita, pohutukawa, matariki. Matariki, tupuarangi, tupuanuku, matariki. Ururangi, waipunarangi, iwa i te rangi, matariki. Waiti, waita, pohutukawa, matariki.
Oh, I guess it's time to play What's in the Box, the home edition. Are you ready to put your hands in, see what's in there?
All right, let's get to it.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's kind of circle, hard, some type of metal, and there's this small attachment, and ooh, is it a lock and a key?
It sure is.
Ooh, 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 hey, the key opens the lock, cool.
That's right. Lots of people have these on their front door at home. It keeps their house secure and lets them in and out. But wait, there's more. Have a look.
Ooh, okay, it's quite small, plastic, square, ooh, and there's 2 buttons on top. Is it some sort of remote?
Right again. It's a remote key.
What does it do?
Ooh, whoa, whoa. Just jokes. Some people have these on their front doors at home too. It unlocks the door without a key.
Ooh, clever. Oh, what else is in there?
There's one more. Hey, have a look.
Ooh. Light, rectangle, and there's small buttons on top. Is it a little computer?
Well, sort of. It's a keypad. It unlocks things too.
Oh, coolio. How does it work?
Well, you enter a combination of numbers and it opens the lock. Each one has a different combination, so you have to be careful to remember the right one.
Oh, or you'll be locked out.
Aye.
Who knew there were so many ways to unlock things?
And there's one more too. What kind of keys do ghosts use?
What?
Spooky.
Kia ora, Pūngā Were Were. I bought you a little housewarming gift. Anei, he wāhi haumaru.
We're at the pony club. My friend Emma and her mum are getting the food ready for the horses. Some nice, healthy snacks.
We're gonna go out that way. Okay. Let's go out that way.
The horses are waiting for us. They are hungry. Then we get to brush the ponies.
All right, we'll take it. We go first.
There's so much here.
This is how much hair I got on Emma. She did.
Peg the pony likes Emma's mum.
What about it?
Then we set up a special course for some races. Emma's got the flags ready to start the race. that racing makes the ponies hungry. We love Pony Club.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Let's try it in Māori.
Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Haringa whātu ki huaha e. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and head, shoulders, knees and head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about Ramadan. In the quiet town of Kirikiriroa, Aria was preparing to join her friend Roxana in the Ramadan tradition of fasting. Ramadan is the holy month in Islam where we do things like fast to cleanse ourselves, said Roxana. As the sun began to rise, Aria and Roxana sat together, sharing a meal called sabhur. With sleepy eyes and full hearts, they embarked on a day without any food or drink. Aria's stomach rumbled a little bit, but the joy of sharing a meaningful day with her friend kept her spirits high. As the sun began to set, the aroma of delicious kai filled the air. And after the Maghrib prayer, Aria and Roxana shared dates and sipped water to break their fast, a meal known as iftar. Roxana smiled at Aria. Thank you for fasting with me, Aria. It means a lot. Aria, feeling a deep sense of connection, replied, No, thank you, Roxana. I'm grateful to learn more about Ramadan with you. And so, Aria and Roxana celebrated the breaking of their fast, and their hearts and stomachs were soon full. The end.
Haerera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha e noho rā. Ka kite